Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kristen and today we are going to clean this absolutely disgusting fridge. I am almost too embarrassed to share this with you guys. I let the refrigerator just get way too nasty. It has been a busy summer and really cleaning the refrigerator was the last thing on my mind, but dang it, someone's got to do it, so I am going to get in there and get it clean. The first thing I'm going to do is just take everything off of the front of the refrigerator. Then I'm going to go inside of the fridge and take everything out of there. I am only going to be using Dollar Tree products, so what I'm going to be using to clean this refrigerator is Dawn dish soap, baking soda, and a magic eraser. All of them were purchased at the Dollar Tree.
If I could, I would give you the moon. Say stop if I'm coming in too soon. Colliding like celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Celestial bodies. Celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Celestial bodies. Celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Inside your heart lies a pearl. Within the smoke, our dreams reveal. We're not a part of this world. I'd call you Venus, 'cause that's how I feel. Take one step like this song in my head.
Oh my gosh, I don't even know how it got this bad. There was some spilled chicken in there and yeah, it needed to be cleaned up. So, oh, and not to mention the other little areas, apparently a soda bottle's lid would not close all the way. So when I had it tipped over, it just kind of spilled everywhere in the refrigerator. So it was super sticky. Yeah, it's just awful. So now I'm just going to go through all of my food items, see if there's anything expired, anything that I don't need, anything that just isn't looking good anymore, and clearing all that stuff up. So I usually clean out my refrigerator once a month. Like, I clean it like this. I deep clean it. But throughout the rest of the month, like every single week before I go grocery shopping, I like to give it a quick wipe down. I think I didn't do it the past 2 weeks, so that's one reason why it got so bad. And you know, the spilled soda and the spilled chicken and all that stuff just kind of adds up and gets disgusting pretty quickly. So it was definitely time for a nice, good clean. All I'm using to clean these is some Dawn dish soap that you can get from the Dollar Tree or Walmart or wherever, but you can easily get a small one over at the Dollar Tree, and it's plenty to clean these up.
Let me know when you will think of me. I'm real desire.
So the disgusting one with the meat in it, I'm going to let soak for a little while in some super hot water and some Dawn dish soap. Then I wanted to show you guys the big mess of water that I made. I get water everywhere whenever I clean out the fridge. It's bad. And it always gets super slippery too. So I ended up getting a towel to dry that up really fast.
Like we were in a time. Kissing like we were
Inside the refrigerator, I am just using this baking soda that I got from the Dollar Tree and some Dawn dish soap. I just have a wet washcloth that I'm going to use that has it on it already, and I'm just going to let this baking soda sit for a little bit while I clean the top of the refrigerator with a Dawn dish soap towel and just scrub away.
Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and
Comment down below if you guys have a hard time remembering where exactly everything goes when you're putting it back together, because I hardly ever remember, so it usually ends up looking different, but that's okay. It works out. Oh my gosh, a clean refrigerator just makes me so happy. And I know my refrigerator is not the greatest. There are cracks in it and everything. We rent this place and it was like that when we moved in. It's really frustrating. I actually don't like this refrigerator. It's really small, but it is what we have and it's what we have to deal with. So the cracks and everything is just a part of, I don't know, renting a home that has a cracked refrigerator, I guess. Since I got rid of a ton of stuff that I did not need in the refrigerator anymore, it is very bare. I did end up going to Walmart and getting some items, except for we're gonna go on vacation soon, so I didn't want to get a bunch of perishables, so I didn't really get fruits and vegetables and stuff like that. So the refrigerator, even after I go shopping and I show you like how it turned out once I did, isn't going to be very full because I didn't want to get a bunch of stuff that would end up going wasted while we were on vacation.
the fire with your hands, 'cause you're gonna get burned, you're gonna get burned. You're walking into quicksand, not a lesson learned, 'cause you're gonna get burned.
Now I'm just using a magic eraser that I got from the Dollar Tree, and wiping down my white refrigerator, it really does help the dirt stains get up and any, hard places. It got most of it, except for on this ice machine, water machine thing, or whatever it is. It didn't really come off of that very well, but everywhere else, like the handles and the door and everything, it did come off pretty well. So it definitely made it more white.
So turn around and fill in the blanks. I gotta say that you could do so much better. Like a vagabond, you're lost in your own ways, stranded in your desert. I hit you up, but there's no one there. If I wanted something distant, I would have found just what I want in you. But I'm not really like that, don't you know that? Said, don't you know? Touch the fire with your hands, 'cause you're gonna get back.
Okay, so this is after I went shopping at Walmart. Like I said, there's not a lot of stuff because I didn't want to waste a bunch of stuff since we were going to be out of town. I did get more pantry items than I got refrigerator items. So unfortunately, I was really hoping to fill it up and stock it up and show you guys a nice organized fridge, but I couldn't do that this time around. So next time, I will do that. Thank you so much for watching this messy refrigerator cleaning video. We'll see you guys or talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.